everyone, and welcome back to another crafting video. For today's video, we will be talking all about totes. I personally am such a tote girl, so I always love when tote bags are very cute or personalized or just feel very me. So for this project, I'm actually going to be making a tote bag for a friend. So I wanted to take you guys along on a step-by-step tutorial on how to make a sublimation tote bags. And if you're already a sublimation crafter, you're definitely gonna have these items at home. So let's get started.
This project, we're gonna use the platform Canva. Canva is my absolute go-to for sublimation projects because they have the most beautiful images in their catalog. So I went ahead and searched plant lover in the elements category, and right away I found the image I want to use for this project. Now that I have the image to scale on my letter size document, I'm going to go ahead and remember to flip my image horizontally. Always remember, before you print, you must flip your image horizontally. Now let's talk materials for this project. So for this project, we will be using the Make Market polyester tote. You must always use polyester or high polyester count items for sublimation projects. You can always find the percentage of polyester on the label, such as this one. Here it says 100%, and here are some instructions for sublimating on this product. You always want to make sure that the item that you're picking up is polyester, because this product here looks exactly the same. However, it's a cotton tote, and you do not want to use cotton. Cotton totes are okay to work with when you're doing heat transfer vinyl, but for this project, we're gonna make sure that we're gonna be grabbing our polyester tote. Now we're gonna bring out our sublimation paper. For this project, I of course will be taking my 120 grams Tech Wrap sublimation paper. This packet comes in 100 sheets, and I find it to work best with my Epson EcoTake printer. And you can go ahead and scan the QR code back here if you would like any more information on this product. Since the sheets are double protected, you don't have to worry about them losing their quality or being affected by any humidity while in storage. And my favorite part about Tech Wrap paper is that you can easily identify what part is the backing and what part you can print on. Some companies don't add any label in the back, which makes it very difficult to identify which side you can print on. Before I go ahead and print anything, I want to make sure that the scale of my image and the sizing of it is going to work great for this project. So I'm gonna unwrap my bag, and since I know it's gonna take up the whole sheet, I'm going to just lay a sheet down onto the tote and see how much space it will take up. And I think this is absolutely perfect for this bag. While my heat press is heating up, I'm going to iron out the wrinkles in this bag. I'm going to show you why placing the mat under the whole tote bag isn't the best idea. As you can see, the fabric moves around and glides around, creating sometimes even more wrinkles. So my best advice is to always put the mat inside the tote bag if the sizing allows. That way the fabric that you will be sublimating onto doesn't move around too much. Now we're ready. So I'm going to bring out my tape dispenser for my heat resistant tape, which always comes in handy, and the image that we have printed out. I love the quality every single time when I use this paper. It just has such an attention to detail, and it already looks so great on the paper. I can't imagine how it's gonna look on the tote. And as you can see, the image is mirrored correctly. So we're gonna go ahead and place it down onto our tote bag. Heat-resistant tape is absolutely crucial for sublimation projects. You don't want your paper to move around, so you want to make sure you secure it, or else it may potentially ruin your entire project. Here comes the fun part. Time to start pressing. So you want to make sure that you read the product's instructions before you do anything. So the label said that the tote bag should be pressed at 380 degrees Fahrenheit. So I have set it at 380 degrees Fahrenheit between 30 to 35 seconds. And also you want to make sure that you're pressing down and not moving your heat press, because it may cause a shift in the paper. I'm bringing you guys a little closer in so you can see how the image looks after being pressed. You can almost nearly see the entire image through the paper. This is a great indication for sublimation projects that most of your ink has transferred over onto the product you are sublimating onto. If it's very hard to tell, you may have to keep pressing. But as you can see here, it's almost clear as day. Once you make sure that the image is equally visible from the other side, you're gonna go ahead and rip it off like a bandage, revealing such a beautiful end product. And look, there's almost no ink left on this paper. It has such vibrant, beautiful colors, and I still can't get over how much ink is all on the product, and almost none of it is left on the actual paper itself. I hope you all enjoyed following along with me on how to make your own beautiful tote bags. If you'd like to watch more videos like these, go ahead and like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for many more crafting videos.